gentlemen, start your engines, because we are headed to the races. So I don't know much about this genre of racing, so I looked it up, and it's top fuel dragsters. I believe most of the bikes are supposed to be Harleys. I think they're supposed to be running around 6 seconds, so some pretty fast bikes. I gotta stop, see where I'm at. I think I took a wrong turn. Cool spot. I live right next to this thing. I don't know how you can get lost. Catch the other side just because I can't. Just for good measure. Alright, let's roll. Alright guys, we are here. Look at these bikes. Harleys, Harleys, Harleys. For you Harley lovers, this is the place. guys, so that was Harley Dragsters. There's some nice people there. I don't really understand the cliques between the different motorcycle groups. I don't understand why can't just all be cool and like different things. But I met some nice people out there. I live really close to that drag strip, that racetrack, and there's a lot of things that happen out there. That was the last motorcycle event for the year, so that's it for motorcycles. But there's a couple car shows. I might go to them, I don't know. But next year there's going to be a lot of different bike stuff, so I will be posting videos on that. Something I also wanted to tell you guys is that I got a new mic set up and I rearranged it, did some tuning on it. So you guys hit that like button if you think it's better. So if you guys enjoyed it, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.